Let's finish the week by boiling. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have QAYNATMAQ. QAYNATMAQ. QAYNATMAQ is to boil, means also to cook by boiling, you can say that word, or to scald. Let's use those in some phrases. To boil water, to boil pasta, to scald milk. Let's see. Su qaynatmaq means just literally boil the water for tea or something. Makaronu QAYNATMAQ. Some people, they just say, let me go boil some macaron. But macaron is a loan word. Let's just set this apart. It comes from Russian, means pasta, and all type of pasta, we call it makaron. If they just say, let me just cook some pasta, they just say makaron kaynadım. Now, süt kaynatmak. This one, when you boil the milk, but it doesn't come to boiling degree. It's just right, you stop. That's the one for it. Now, sentences. Makaronu kaynatmak üçün suya tuz attım. I added salt to the water to boil the pasta. We already know makaron is pasta. Kaynatmak üçün to boil. Suya, to the water. Tuz is salt. Attım. Atmak literally means to throw, but here added. Let's use it another one. Səhər çay üçün suyu qaynatmaq lazımdır. In the morning, it is necessary to boil the water for tea. In Azerbaijan, when they make the tea, they make sure the water is boiled 100%. Now, about translation of the sentence. In the morning, Səhər, çay üçün, for the tea, suyu, the water, qaynatmaq lazımdır. Lazım is needed, necessary, to boil. That was my way of using qaynatmaq in Azerbaijani sentences and phrases. Let's see what I have for you. I set a timer and then forgot to qaynatmaq anything. Thanks so much for watching. We're starting next with a new set of words. Make sure to come and check. Until then, masterazerbaijani.com is the place for you to go if you're interested in learning Azerbaijani more and deeper. Cheers.